I built a new compost bin. The compost bin that I have inside the talk just took up so much space. I mean, it worked really good, but I want to have about 8 of these bins. Because I clean the rabbitry out every week, I need to have a bin for that new product because everything else is already composting. And I do the Berkeley method of composting where you leave it for 4 days and then you turn it every other day. So as I'm doing that, I can't add new material because the new material is not broken down. And breaking the material down is what you're wanting. If you add new material, that material is not broken down, it's not decomposed, and then you can't use it until it is. So adding new material constantly is not going to give you the compost that you need by the end of 21 to 28 days. So by leaving a compost bin and turning it every other day for 21 to 28 days, you end up with a good product to be able to put onto the garden beds. But if you keep adding that material, it can break down like it's supposed to. So having 8 beds allows me to do 8 weeks of composting for each bin of compost. I can turn the compost in the bins, and by the end of 8 weeks, I have ready-made compost that is completely composted down without adding new material. And since I clean out my rabbitry every single week, I need a place to put that so that it can compost. And then I clean out the cow area every week. So adding new material into an empty bin, like this is an empty bin, sort of, not really, because it has stuff in it. It became my storage bin because I built a new bin that has a couple bins out by the cow area. So this, once I use this material, this bin is going to go out there, which will produce 4 bins for me. And then I can start really just processing it out every week. But I clean out the rabbitry every week, and I clean out the cow bin every week, and I need a place to put that material. So that's the composting plan. Hopefully the plan goes according to plan and I can get some compost and at least have compost every month ready for the garden beds because I will be intensely gardening in the Grocery Row Gardens. So it's going to need material added consistently in a way that's not going to cause material buildup, mineral buildup, but be able to feed the plants in the intense gardening method that we're using here. So having those extra bins and having the ability to just let it sit for a while, or being able to turn it when I need it and be able to use it when I need it. So let's go check out where I put it. So that's my citrus orchard there with all the Christmas lights on it. And outside the barn, heading down, I did decide to put the compost bin outside of the garden just so that I have the ability to use it with the rabbitry and where the cow is. And here is a fresh pile. I just cleaned out the cow area yesterday, so it's fresh and new. And when we go to put the 2-compartment bin from the talk, it'll go here, enclosing this bin and adding 2 more bins, which will give me 4 of the 8 that I want. And then I want to put the other bins going along this way here so that I have the ability to take everything from the cow area and everything from the rabbit area and compost it here. From here, I can then take it into the garden. That way it's just out of the way, it's not taking up growing space. This area here is mostly unused anyway, We're not going to have the cow here. We're not going to have animals here. This is just open so that we can, store materials like the forks of the tractor, the grapple from the tractor, or the bucket. You can see there's a couple boards. Where are they? Oh, behind my head, right there. That's where the bucket goes for the tractor. So this whole area here is just kind of open. No big deal. We haven't done anything with it, and we're probably not going to for a while. So having the compost bins there will make it more convenient for cleaning out the animal areas every week. And since that happens every week, and I don't put the compost on the garden every week, I think it's better. Hold on a second. Remy's getting in trouble. Get over here. The cow teases her. The cow will come running along the fence to get Remy to chase her. So it's a little difficult to get them to stop. Well, that's pretty much it for the compost bins. That's the plan anyway. So we're going to head back in and get some other stuff done. So we'll see you again next time. Bye.